Welcome to this guided meditation. In this practice, we will cultivate a deeper understanding and awareness of our chakras and actively work towards aligning and balancing our energy centers. We will tap into the transformative power of energy healing, allowing it to flow through us and restore harmony on all levels of our being. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space where you can relax without any interruptions. Sit in a cross-legged position or lie down, whatever feels most comfortable for you. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a moment to scan your body from head to toe, allowing your awareness to gently move through each area. Notice any sensations of tension, tightness, or discomfort that may be present. Take note of these areas without judgment or resistance, simply observing them with curiosity and compassion. Now, bring your attention to your breath, the ever-present anchor that connects your mind and body. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation without needing to change or control it in any way. Feel the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Breathe in relaxation and breathe out tension. Allow each breath to be an invitation to let go of any stress or worry and immerse yourself in this precious moment of tranquility. Imagine a warm, golden light above your head, glowing with pure, radiant energy. This light represents the divine source of healing and love. Visualize this light descending from above, slowly moving towards the top of your head, like a gentle waterfall of light. As it touches your crown, feel its warmth and purity as it begins to cleanse and open your seventh chakra, the crown chakra, located at the top of your head. Picture the light entering your crown chakra, illuminating it with a vibrant violet color. Feel the energy of this chakra expanding and aligning, connecting you to your higher self and the universal consciousness. Sense a deep sense of peace and connection as the crown chakra becomes balanced and harmonized. Shift your focus to the center of your forehead, where the sixth chakra, the third eye chakra, is located. Imagine the golden light gently moving to this area, bringing clarity and insight. As the light touches your third eye, visualize a beautiful indigo color filling the space. Feel your intuition awakening and trust your inner guidance. Allow this chakra to open and align, enhancing your perception and inner wisdom. Bring your awareness to your throat, where the fifth chakra, the throat chakra, is situated. Picture the golden light flowing to this area, clearing any blockages and encouraging self-expression. See a brilliant blue light radiating from your throat as this chakra becomes balanced. Feel your ability to communicate openly and authentically, expressing your truth with ease and confidence. Direct your attention to your heart center, where the fourth chakra, the heart chakra, resides. Visualize the warm light moving into your heart, dissolving any emotional barriers and fostering love and compassion. Sense a vibrant green light emanating from your chest, expanding with every breath. Feel the deep connection to yourself and others as the heart chakra harmonizes and aligns. Now, shift your focus to your abdomen, where the third chakra, the solar plexus chakra, is located. See the golden light gently bathing this area, restoring balance and personal power. Picture a bright yellow light shining from your solar plexus, radiating confidence and inner strength. Feel a sense of empowerment as this chakra aligns, allowing you to manifest your intentions with clarity and determination. Bring your attention to your lower abdomen, where the second chakra, the sacral chakra, resides. Visualize the golden light descending to this area, releasing any stagnant energy and inviting creativity and passion. Imagine a vibrant orange light glowing from your lower abdomen, activating your sensual and creative energy. Allow this chakra to align and balance, embracing your authentic desires and emotions. Finally, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, where the first chakra, the root chakra, is situated. See the golden light grounding you and connecting you to the earth. Visualize a deep red light emanating from the base of your spine, grounding and stabilizing you. Feel a sense of safety and security as this chakra aligns, allowing you to feel rooted and supported. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a few moments to observe the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Feel the life-giving force of your breath, and with each inhale, imagine you are drawing in positive, healing energy from the universe. And with each exhale, release any tension, negativity, or stagnant energy from your body and mind. Take a few moments to deeply experience the profound alignment and balance that exists within your chakra system. Allow yourself to become fully present and attuned to the energy that flows through each of your chakras, creating a harmonious and interconnected system within you. As we conclude this meditation, express gratitude for the healing and balancing energy you have received. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with gratitude, and exhale, releasing it out into the world. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body, wiggling your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of alignment and healing with you into your day.